Currently, Alabama has no established laws governing mold standards or testing requirements for residential or commercial buildings. Additionally, there are no state-mandated certifications for contractors performing mold testing or remediation activities. Unlike some environmental hazards, mold regulation primarily falls under state jurisdiction, resulting in considerable variation in laws and licensing requirements across the country. This lack of regulation in the state of Alabama means that individuals, companies, or their technicians are not required to undergo proper training or obtain certification from accredited institutions such as the American Council for Accredited Certification, ACAC, or the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Certification, IICRC. Additionally, continuing education is not mandatory for those performing mold assessment or remediation services. Some states have comprehensive licensing programs, while others provide only general guidelines or require specific disclosures. Certain states mandate licenses for mold assessors and remediators, often requiring specialized training, examinations, and ongoing education to ensure competency. To ensure unbiased assessments, some states have regulations prohibiting the same company from performing both mold assessment and remediation on the same project. This measure aims to prevent conflicts of interest and promote objective evaluations. In some states, it is even illegal for the same company to perform both services on the same project. If you have concerns about health and safety related to indoor mold, it is strongly recommended that homeowners and business owners consult with an accredited environmental consultant. A qualified consultant can conduct a thorough assessment of potential fungal and mycotoxin contamination, as well as other indoor health hazards. Based on their findings, the consultant can develop a detailed remediation protocol for your contractor to follow. This protocol will outline steps that consider the location, extent of contamination, and the health of occupants. Additionally, post-remediation verification assessments can be performed to confirm that remediation was successful or to determine if further action is required. To ensure objectivity and trustworthy assessments, an environmental consultant should be an unbiased third party with no financial ties to remediation contractors or insurance carriers. Accredited consultants can also provide litigation support if legal action becomes necessary. This may include cases where a contractor fails to properly remediate the structure or to justify remediation costs to insurance agents, adjusters, or third-party administrators who may dispute valid expenses. In instances where an insurance company, contractor, or other materially interested party acts in bad faith, litigation support from an environmental consultant can be vital for your attorney if legal action is pursued. An environmental consultant can provide essential documentation, including detailed initial and post-remediation assessment reports, photographic evidence, laboratory analysis reports, and relevant standards and guidelines from accredited institutions and publications, among other resources. Indoor Environmental Solutions, LLC, based in Huntsville, Alabama, is your trusted local indoor environmental consulting firm specializing in indoor mold and air quality assessments. Contact us today at 256-541-2631 to schedule an assessment or for a free phone consultation regarding your indoor health and safety concerns.